So in this video we're going to have a look at our printer settings and our placement settings in Onyx 25. So up on the top right hand side here we'll see that we've got our green light for our Canon Colorado M series. That just means it's online. We also have our information settings, so our ink levels and roll currently loaded on the machine. Underneath there we're on setup media. We have our color check, which is just our print modes and print color check if we wanted to. And then we also have then our real-time information about our printer. So there's our IP address, there's our ink levels, and the media that's loaded onto the printer itself. So I'm now back into my media and nest options. So I'm going to go to current media and page size. So in here, I've got then my 3 roles that are applicable to my Canon Colorado. Not all printers are going to have 3, but this one does. So role 1 is the one that I currently have loaded on there. I could choose my media group, I could choose my media, and I could choose my page size. Now, as you can see before under the options there, this is not the actual material that I currently do have loaded on the printer. So if I was to press print on this, it would have a media mismatch and it wouldn't print on the Colorado. I also then have my page size, which I can then create new ones by clicking the configure page sizes and pressing add in there. I can then use role 2 and external role 2 to make that one applicable. You just need to click on the little checkbox there, and then that'll add role 2 up here. And it's the same on external role. The external role is really for the jumbo role adaptation kit on the Colorado M series. And again, I can add that by clicking that. But we could set up other jobs in those roles if I need to. So I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to go down to then my placement. So at the moment, I've got a few jobs that are sitting here ready to go. And all of these have been grouped together. Now, the reason these have been grouped together is because I'm in conserve media. And as you can see, it's just put them all on the same print job. So this will print all at exactly the same time. I then have the option for group jobs together. Now that's going to do it, but it's not going to use the same sort of conserve media settings as conserve media will. We also have then print jobs individually, which will print them all separately. And then XY trimmer is for XY trimmer setups for things like Neolts or for Tobas. So if I go back into that settings, you'll see that we have general. Now at the top of general, we've got print triggering. Now this is for automated printing. So after a certain amount of seconds, it will start the print job off for you automatically. Or if you filled a certain amount of the material. We have our offsets, so left, right, top and bottom of our page offsets. Justification, as you can see, all of mine is central. We have our printer gutter. And then we have flip every other tile, which is good for things like HPs, where you might have color correction issues on tiles, especially like this with block colors. We have then options, so we can use best fit, which allows rotation to get these to be even closer fit together. We have then space between copies, which is really important. That's this space here between our different tiles. So especially if you're going to be cutting these on a flatbed cutter, as you need to have space between your registration marks. Percent to cache before printing. This is just how much it's going to send to your printer before it actually starts printing. It's not applicable for a Colorado, but it is for something like a UJV55, which will start printing as soon as it reaches a certain amount of print. Cutter mark darkness, so this will increase the darkness of those registration marks or for Toba cut lines. Print all rows at a time. Generate nest outline cut path. So that's just basically a cut path that goes around the outside of all your nests. Going to press OK. You'll now see it's just going to reset those up for me. There we go. Now to actually see your print preview a little bit better, we do have this magnification up here, and I can make this bigger. And it's just a bit easier then to actually see our jobs. There's our jobs. I can zoom out as well. There we go. And there's a preview of how our job is going to be printed. Now at that point, I can just press print now, and that's going to send it to my printer. At the bottom here, we have our print info. So square meters, how many jobs have been nested. We have our console, which is just sort of error log. And then we have our quick set. So if we're bringing in any jobs, we can actually drop them in here and utilize a certain quick set. And that job's now ready to go. So that is our printer settings and our placement settings in Onyx 25.